Have you ever noticed how important onions are in the kitchen? This vegetable has won over the whole world due to the fact that it's an excellent seasoning and is used in a variety of dishes. However, not everybody likes onions. As you already know, when onions are cut, they release a substance that burns our eyes and makes us cry. Why? Onions absorb the sulfur in the dirt, and when we cut them, we're cutting into their cells and releasing a large amount of the substances inside them. These substances react and produce a gas which makes our eyes water when it comes into contact with them. However, you don't have to avoid this tasty ingredient just because it's hard to cut. Some people recommend cutting and peeling onions in water in order to avoid the tears. The only problem is that when we do this, we lose some of the onion's flavor. These substances that react and make us cry are stored in the bulb of the onion, the hairy part. So if you remove the onion's bulb, you won't feel the need to cry. Here's how to do it. Place the onion with the root facing upwards. Once that's done, insert the knife almost halfway into the onion, close to the bulb. Run the knife around the bulb. The cut must be done so that when you remove the bulb, it comes out in a triangular shape. In order not to waste the bulb, you can put it in the blender. Peel and cut whatever is left over and continue following your recipe. Now that you've learned how, you'll never have to cry again while cutting onions. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.